I'm Gary from Little Rock, Arkansas. Here I've got new Helios braces. I've had peripheral neuropathy. I've had trouble walking for about the last 5 years. Slowly progressing, slowly getting worse. Been using 2 canes. Doctor calls them hand crutches. To walk for the past couple of years. Had braces before. I had custom-made plastic braces, which did help. The problem was I would still fall down with them. I've tried other braces such as the noodle, and they just didn't give me the stability that I wanted. So I decided to come here, see Mitch, and have the Helios braces made. And they've been amazing. Just putting them on so far, the balance has been really good. Able to turn, walk sideways. It's just incredible the difference that they've made.
And how long have we had them on now?
Ooh, I don't know. I guess it's been an hour or so. And yeah, I'm able to walk around, feel well balanced, don't have to look down at my feet. You know, I feel incredible.
Yeah, okay, got it.
How's that feel sideways?
Yeah, actually it feels pretty good. Feels great actually. Let's see.
Yeah. Now it just, hello? Did I lose you? Oh, okay. It just, everything said new password to confirm last night. Really? Let me try this one.
Well, that's great, Gary, and we look forward to your updates and progress in the future.
Yeah, it feels very stable. This is
Why does
great.
it keep doing
I
that?
feel like I have my life back.